Hello guys, we are back with Mega Man.
Mega Man 7 versus battles.
Yes, and this time I have game facts open up, so I know all the special moves.
Me too. And you can't shoot me.
Okay, down, forward, fire.
Haha.
Okay, what's this? Up twice. Die, 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 die. Haha, I am winning this. Ouch.
Yay.
Spam the special moves. That's all I have to say on two-player mode. What the freaking person in my room?
Wait.
Open up game facts and spam the special moves. That's all I gotta say.
I know. You'll win most of the time. I know the other person is also doing that.
You spam the special moves, like that kick. You spamming that kick badly.
Especially when you're in the corner. For some reason I could get perfectly every single time you're in the corner. Ow. Die, Mega Man, die.
I can't pull off the move anymore. Die.
Yeah. Shoot me, I dare you.
Why is it down twice? In the normal game, it was just normal game. It was just down thing.
Die.
Sounds like a freaking thing to pull
Die,
off.
fast. Die.
This is why I don't like fighting games. It's too much complicated moves to pull off.
I know. Die.
Except Smash Brothers, which is awesome.
Die,
What
die.
the freak?
No starting me.
Haha. It's just fun spamming.
Oh, come on. I'll be Mega Man this time.
Yes. And give me a minute. I have to scroll the page down so I can see Bass's
Okay.
moves.
I have to scroll up down.
Okay. You ready?
Yep. Haha, first.
So air dash. Forward twice, fire in the air. Stop it!
Die! Die! Mega Man, why don't you die?
Die. And flying kick, forward, down, forward, down, forward. What the freak? Ow, I don't freaking know. Ah! That move's too cheap.
Yes, it is, which is why I like it.
And I just noticed I don't have the thing. I don't have the thing on screen. I stopwatch. Okay. So what the thing is forward, down, forward. Forward, down, forward. Forward, down, forward.
No, it's only
Forward, down,
forward,
forward.
not forward.
Forward, down, forward. Forward, down, forward.
Or
Forward,
try
down.
forward, down, forward. Dancy! Die. Wait! Run away, Mega Man, run away!
I screw it. So what's the freaking...
Die! Die!
Stop it! Stop it! What the... Spam! Spam! Spamming the laser! You're spamming the laser!
Die!
Just... Next...
Keep moving.
No, we should do
What?
just Mega Man. We should both be Mega Man.
Yes, we should.
Okay. The most broken match ever. And what was his move again? Stop it! Thank you.
Too bad.
Stop it!
Die! Die already! Mega Man demands it! Mega Man demands you die.
Ow!
Mega
Stop.
Man demands you die! Ah. Die dance.
Scroll the window back up. Down,
Ah.
forward, fire. That's what it is. Don't type mean things to me. Down, forward, fire. Haha! Ouch.
Man, you still die! Megaman, you freaking die!
Stop it! Stop it!
Haha! Die.
I can't win.
Give a jumpy dance. Jump me! Give a suicide, or not suicide, jumpy dance. Now go fast.
No, I want to be Megaman.
Too bad.
These moves are too ridiculous to pull off.
Ow!
Ha ha ha! Die. Die.
Whoever kills each other for. Oh god, no. Get out of the corner! Get out of the freaking corner! Well, that's good. Haha. Whee! Whee!
Why do you get a little Met hat every time you win?
Oh no. It's whoever gets 2 med hats first.
Yeah, but why use Met hats for? Stop it! No, get up!
Too bad! You're not getting up anytime soon because you're dead! You're just dead!
Stop it!
I didn't mean to do that.
Just gonna
Yeah,
hit
get
forward.
the corner. Get the corner. You missed again!
Why?
Because it's fun, that's why. Suicide, why won't it let me do a suicide jump?
We're still only at like 7 minutes.
Haha.
Big Mega Man. I'm just gonna slide. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. It's the only move I know how to do, and it's awesome.
Die! Nothing better than spamming bad attacks in a corner.
Why? Why? Why?
Wee! 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 You go dead now.
Stay away from me. What? This song's awesome.
Okay, I'll be your dog pun when you die. In the corner you go, Mega Man. Get back.
No.
Get back in the corner. Get in the freaking corner, Mega Man.
Get up, Mega Man.
Get in
Spam!
the
Spam!
freaking
Darn it.
corner. Good. Whee!
Why do you hate?
Suicide! Yay, suicide.
Okay, we have time for like one more match.
Cheap guy again. Die. Too bad, die.
I've been trying to pull off this guy's special move. Stop it! Stop! Can you just?
Hey, no getting out. You're not allowed to get out. It's not allowed.
Just jump and rapidly tap the forward button.
I know.
Did
Get away from me.
you see that combo? Oh, see that? That is pure ponage.
Let's die now.
Yay, the good song again. Even though I kind of like all the songs in Mega Man.
Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die.
Stop
Die,
it!
die, die,
It's
die,
cheap!
die,
It's cheap! It's cheap! You're being
That's why I
cheap!
use it.
Stop! Why do they have this corner?
Haha.
I wanted a like Proto Man in this.
I know. That'd be cool. Then die!
But Bass is
Get in
cool.
the corner! Get in the corner!
You get in the
Oh
corner.
god, no, get me out of the corner. corner. Yay!
Stop it! No! Ah, good. That's all we have time for. See y'all next time. Bye, everybody.
Bye.